Complete with me, my students, grade 6, model number 9 from the Qahliya government in second term. First question, choose the correct answer. The volume of cuboid whose dimensions 3, 4, and 5. We can find the dimension, product together to find the volume. 4 times 3 times 5. 3 times 4 is 12, 12 times 5 equals 60. We have 60 cubic centimeter. The volume, length times width times height. Okay, answer will be 60. Number 2, 2 over 5 divided by 1 over 5. You can convert from division to multiplication and write reciprocal of second term. And this simplest. Write with me 2 over 5. Product by reciprocal of 1 over 5, it will be 5 over 1. 5 divided by 5, 1. 1 times 2 equal 2. Then the answer here will be 2, letter A. 12 divided by 20. You can simplest here by divided by 4. 12 divided by 4 equal 3 and 20 divided by 4 equal 5. And the answer will be 3 to 5. Merchant sold 50 kg of apple with 1,550 Egyptian lira. Find the price of a kilogram of apple. Kilogram 1, we can divide it. The total amount was 50 and total price 1,550. You can divide it by 50, cancel 0 by 0, and then 15 divided by 5, 3, 5 divided by 5 equal 1, and the answer will be 31 Egyptian lira. The total price 31 Egyptian lira. Choose the correct answer. The image of the point reflection on x-axis. We can put x and change direction of y. -3 and 3 reflection on x-axis. Put x and change the sign of y. The result will be -3 and -3. Next example. Triangle has how many altitude? We have 3 altitude. Any triangle has 3 altitude. You want the meaning of altitude? Altitude, line segment drawing from vertex and perpendicular to the base. We have 3 altitude, 1, 2, and 3. Then any triangle has 3 altitude. Choose letter D. Next question. Space is a ratio between two different quantities. We have ratio between different quantities. We called it rate. Okay, the ratio between two different quantities. But the ratio comparing between two quantities which has the same units. And proportion comparing between two or equivalent between two ratios or more. And equivalent between two parts like 3 to 6. It's equivalent 3 over 6 equivalent to 1 over 2. We call this equivalent. Understood? In the answer here, ratio between two different quantities, we call this the rate. Like 30 kilometer per 1 hour or per 3 hours. Then we call this the rate. Comparing between two quantities which is the same or the different units, but the same units we call it conversion factor. يبقى السؤال اللي معانا يا ولاد هنا in the ratio between two different quantities. Answer here will be letter B, rate. The answer here will be letter B. Next question, letter B. The volume of cuboid is dimension 10, 6, and 8. We can product length times width times the height. 10 times 6 times 8, 6 times 8, 48. 48 times 10 it will be 480 cubic centimeter. Next example, question number 3. Choose the correct answer. Point 3 and 0 lies on x-axis. We have x-axis and y-axis. The point here 3 and 0. The point lies on x-axis. Why? Because the coordinate y equals 0. Then the point 3 and 0 lies on x-axis. Choose letter A. 4 over 5 convert to percentage. We must convert the numerator to be 100. We know the percentage is the ratio. The second term is 100. Then 4 over 5 equal to 4 times 20 over 5 times 20. The result will be 80 over 100. The result will be 80%. Then 4 times 20 equal 80%. The answer here 80%. Choose letter B. The quadral pyramid area base 60 square centimeter and the area of one face 30 centimeters. Then total area of quadral pyramid. Look at here. we have base, square, and 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles similar in the same base. Okay, they are drawn the same base about side here, equivalent in the area. Then the total area, he won't find surface area or total area here, equal base area 60. We have 60 the base area plus 4 times the area of each one of triangles. He gave me the area of one face of triangle 30. Understood? Then area base 60 plus 4 triangles, area of each one 30. Then we have 60 plus 4 times 30 is 120. 120 plus 60 equal 180. Then the answer here will be 180 square centimeter. Next question. Find the area of triangle whose length space 8 cm and its corresponding height 6 cm. We know find the area of triangle half times space times corresponding height. Half by space times corresponding height. Half of 4, 8, 4. 4 times 6 is 24. Then the area will be 24 square centimeter. Next question. From the opposite proportion table, you won't find the saved money during 2 months. We can use here the properties. Product of extremes equal product of means. We have 75 over 3 equal space here, but question mark, and here too. To find the money which saved during 2 months, you can product by 2 and 75 and then divide it by 3. Then the price equal, we have 2 times 75 over 3. 75 divided by 3 equal 25. 25 times 2 is 50. And the answer will be what? 50. Then the money will be 50 Egyptian lira. Okay, or 50 amount. Next question. If the cube of each length 1 centimeter finds the actual surface area. We know cube has 6 faces. The area of each one face side by side. In the surface area equals 6 product by 1 power 2. Right, 6 times 1 power 2 is 1. 6 times 1 equals 6. In the total area it will be 6 square centimeter. Next question. If Mahmoud bought a computer with 10% discount from its price 15,000, then find what Mahmoud paid. First step we can find the discount. يعني الأول يا ولاد هنجيب الديسكاونت الخصم قد إيه وننقصه ونعمله minus from total number. The discount equal 10%, 10 over 100 product by 15,000. Cancel double zero by double zero, and 150 times 10 will be 1,500. Okay, this is discount. And then what Mahmoud paid, we can write the paid equal, the total was 15,000 subtracted by 1,500. Right, double zero, 10 minus 5 is 5, 4 minus 1 is 3, the result will be 13,500 Egyptian lira. Okay, next question. Locate the following points on the coordinate plane A, B, and C, and then determine the coordinate ID which make the figure square. وعايزك تحدد الدي عشان تكون سكوير في الشيب اللي عندك. بالنسبة للكوردينيت أنا عندي x axis and y axis. We must draw first like this. We have order 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. First point here, point A 3 and 3, start from 3 and going out 3, this is point A. And point B 3 and negative 2, 3 and negative 2, this is point B. Point C negative 2 and 2, negative 2 and 2, negative 2 and negative 2. And point D will be what? Start from negative 2 to 3. To draw square. Understood? Point D will be negative 2 and 3 to draw a square. He asked me what's the coordinate of the point to draw square. D will be 1 and negative 2 here, negative 2 and 3 in the order negative 2 and 3. This is answer. Okay, write negative 2 and 3. Next question. Okay, it's end of questions.